Hi, this is a really quick tutorial on getting started with After Effects. The first mini project is making a ball bounce across a screen. So we're going to start by making a new composition. And new compositions come out whatever time was set last. So mine was 10 seconds, yours might be 30. Just change the number to 10 seconds. Background color is black, I'll leave it right there. Let's click OK. Now here's my window, my project window, and here's my timeline. I'm going to start by making a new layer, and layer new solid, and I'm going to make a new layer. It's going to be kind of pale blue, and this will be my background. Alright, I can turn it off, I see black, I turn it on, I see the layer. Let's make another layer, new, and this one's going to be a, new shape layer. And a shape layer can be any kind of shape, and I'm going to use the ellipse tool, and I'm going to hold the shift key, and I'm going to make a shape. Now everything has an anchor point, and you can tell where the anchor point is because it's this little guy right here. Now the pale blue solid anchor point is in the center, but the ball anchor point is way over here. So one of the first things I'll do is go to Layer, Transform, and I'm going to center the anchor point in the layer content. Now I have it right here. Alright, so the key thing with this is being on the correct layer. So I'm on the shape layer at 0 seconds. I want my ball to appear from the side, so I'm going to use my Move tool, and at 0 seconds I want my ball to be way over here off screen. Okay? At 1 second. Now, so what I need to do is I need to set up some keyframes. And I'm going to do those by turning on the position and turning on the scale and the opacity. The opacity I'm going to set to 0. I want my ball to come in invisible. Got it? Invisible. At 1 second, I would like this ball to be way up here. It's going to get shot right up there, okay? And at that stage, now you see I just made a new anchor point, okay? So at that stage, my ball goes right here, but it's still invisible. So at this stage, I want to make the opacity be 100. Now, you can see that I've made a quick animation, and in 1 second, my ball goes right there. In another second, second number 2, I would like the ball to sharply bounce down. All right? And so you'll see it just made another anchor point. At second 3, it's going to sharply bounce up. And I don't want to go past my white thing. And second number 4, it's going to start to go down. But look, balls don't have the same energy, right? It won't have that same energy. So I want to bring this down a little bit more. And at second 5, it's going to go up just a little less. And second 6, back down. Second 7, you get the drift of what's going on. Second 8, back down. 9, and 10. When it finishes, when we hit 10 seconds, we're going to be off screen. Okay? So this is my little animation. Okay? Now, it's not very good, but that's okay. I want to select all of my keyframes, so I'm just going to grab all these. I would like this to happen quicker, so I want to go through. I'm going to actually go through them one at a time, and I'm going to tighten them all up so that everything happens a little faster. And I just want you to play around with this, and then I would like you to make a cloud appear in the sky, maybe a dark gray cloud that appears in the sky, let's say at 5 seconds, and then maybe the sun will come out at about 8 seconds. So a cloud is simply a bunch of circles put together. A sun is a circle with maybe some lines. And there you go. Make something very cool happen and learn to play around with some basics in After Effects. Thanks.